Hello to all our YouTube followers. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage MotoStyles Shop. Before we start, this video intend to be for audience age 14 and older, since we're showing RC stuff by the new rules of the FCC and FTC. FCC say that those vehicles 14 and older. FTC say that all our video need to be for adult. This is adult video. Anyway, let's start. So what we got here today is the Horizon Hobby Vaterra. It's a Chevy Suburban 1972 rock crawler. It's a very cool vehicle, and I will show and explain, but let's go over detail one at a time. First, I want to talk about this wire loose over here. This loose wire here need to be connected into the frame that I'm gonna show you later. And what it does, it's actually turn those cool light on the grill. So what they did, they make a working grill with a light and turn indicators. They actually work when you plug it to the receiver and you turn on the car. It will turn on and it will be lit, and it's really cool. Now if you look at the vehicle itself, this is like the older style American vehicles. They make a big Chevy Suburban, exactly like it used to be in the old days, when you used to have the huge storage area on the back of your car, and those cars could take like easily like 2 full families, and those were very cool vehicles. They also kept the green color, this metallic green color that you see over here. I really like it. They actually put the Chevrolet emblem on the back, and they did the bumper and all the lights on the back. Very good details on it. Even the door handle are sticked over there, and the frame on the windows that used to be split windows. And then this triangle with a small tiny dot over here. This was the window that will flip like a wing sideways and let the air flow into you before they used to get like good AC systems or AC at all. Nice sticker for the chrome frame on the front, like the original vehicle. They make it with top. The top of it is white. It was like 2 colors, and they did also the nice trim over here on the edge. This trim is a sticker. This is not actually another plastic strip. Too bad, because it could be much cooler. Now when you look at the vehicle, the tires, they're very good tires. They grip really well, but they should have, I think that they should have actually painted inside the white over here, make it a little bit look cheaper. At least they would make it like chrome or something. So if you get those, I highly recommend to paint the inside to make it cooler. Other than that, the vehicle is really cool. 1/10 scale. Arrived with a remote. There is 2 versions of it. There is a ready to run, and there's one that you need to get the battery and a charger. This one is the one that you need to get a battery and a charger. And it's about, the vehicle is plus minus, depend where you get it, what deal you get in the holiday season. They're around $300 or so, up and down. Let's show you what there is underneath. So to open it gently, we're going to remove, before we do that, no, I'm skipping something. Lift the front up for you guys. Right there, they hide the servo under the hood. So when you steer your vehicle, you cannot really see a steering servo, but you can see right now the differential case is really cool. So I just wanted to show that. I skipped it. I wait to open the vehicle and then say it's going to be cooler when the grill is right there. Now we can open it up. Those are very tiny pins that they put on it to make it kind of like disappear into the car. So be careful, because those are disappearing anywhere when you take them out. So be very careful with those. I'm trying to pull them out without scratching the body. It's a very nice body. Okay, next time I should use a needle nose plier. Then we're gonna remove the body, and I'm gonna show you the inside of it. The inside of the body right there have the entire light assembly already set up, already taped, and then you have the plug here. They will not plug it in from the factory, so when you pull it out, you're not gonna cause any damage. I'm gonna show where it's need to plug into the vehicle. Let's start with that. Right here we have the plugs. This is the plugs that you're going to have to plug your light system, and as soon as you turn on your receiver, it will turn on. Now This vehicle is brushed electric, is not brushless. I believe that you really don't need a brushless system when you're running a rock crawler. It's have enough power. It's a 35 turn brushed electric motor with ESC and complete water sealed receiver. It's very cool because they make it, the red box over here look like the old fuel tank that they used to put on this vehicle. And again, this is the front. This is how the steering servo sits from the top. I will make it closer to the camera so you can see it right there. And if we already close, look at this cool thing. Let's turn it. The shocks, there is a dual spring shocks right there. There is the smaller shocks and the bigger shocks, so you have harder and softer dampening. So depend what you need. In a real vehicle, it will have a softer and a harder dampening, so it's really cool. I'm happy that they did it. It's add a lot to the scale. You can put on this nickel metal battery, lithium battery, whatever you want, since they're not arriving with a battery. They even put here the magnet to prevent a little bit interference. Overall, very cool video, very cool vehicle. Now the question is, if you're gonna get one and you're gonna run it and what you're gonna do with it, don't forget to write in the comment, like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget also to share it. It's always help. If you have any question regarding this vehicle, you're more than welcome to write in the comments below. Now we have those on special in MotoStyles shop in Granada Hills for the holiday. Depend when you see this video. Right now we're before Christmas, so I did this video for it. So you're more than welcome to come and look at it. It's a metal anodized frame. They have a very nice case over here, like for the entire gearbox and the differential. They have a plastic transfer but with metal actually connector to differential boxes, front and rear. It's really cool. Very cool vehicle for the price. I think at $300 you cannot get nicer than that from other brand. Let's put a body back on it, as I really like this body. Okay, the body is back, and again right away you're gonna see this coming back down. And again, this is the Chevy Suburban 1972 RC electric rock crawler from Vaterra, now available. See you on my next video. If we're not gonna see you guys at our store, have a happy holiday, whatever you're celebrating, and don't forget, like, subscribe and share, and leave a comment because we're giving a lot of gift. Goodbye.